Hey everyone, this is Mike with Sheepdog the Jeep. Hope everyone has an amazing day. Today I'm gonna do a short video. We're gonna reroute the CB radio cable. When I installed it about 2 months ago, I did a quick job. Didn't pay too much attention on how neat it is. And since we have a little bit of time today, might as well make it nice, put it underneath all the plastic trim, and why not make a video about it? Okay, let's get started. First thing, let's turn the car around so we can have access to the back. That was close. Okay, now that the car's backed up, we can get started. This is what we have to do. Right now, cable comes out from the antenna and usually just goes underneath here and all the way underneath the seats there, which is kind of bad. I don't like it. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop this panel out and we're gonna wire right through there and then underneath the plastic frame by the doors. Remove the trim. What we have to do here, underneath the latches, there's a couple screws here. I'm not sure if that one, I think this one is the tail light, but I'm pretty sure there's something underneath here. There's another little screw underneath, behind the subwoofer there, and there's this whole thing should pop out. But before we even try to do anything here, what I'll do, we'll have to remove the car seat, put this bench flat down so we have a better access to everything. Okay, so you can see how my cable comes through here, then through there, and underneath the seats. So what we're gonna try to do is make sure that it comes behind this string in here, behind here, and nicely underneath this piece, and all the way to the front. Okay, after a little bit of struggling here, managed to take this whole panel out. I think I was just afraid to pull on it. So after you remove the bolts down here and the one by the subwoofer, just yank on it, all come out. And now all we have to do, just wire the cable around here and we'll come out on the other side. This is what I'm doing. Zip tight All in there. All done. Back together. Easy peasy. What I'll do, I'll take a vacuum, clean around here, and then we can move forward.
It always dies.
That vacuum, I'm telling you, every time you want to do something, it just dies off. Anyway, so that's done. The hardest part, I think, is done. Now it's just easy. These little trim pieces are gonna pop off. I'm gonna put the cable all around there, the front, and then my unit's right underneath the seat here. Okay, need a brake. Cheers. Okay, that's about it. Easy peasy. Now it's all nice and clean. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe.